Welcome to Ross Family Roots. Let's make some homemade bread. 2 cups of water, 2/3 cup of sugar. Stir it up till the sugar dissolve. 1½ tablespoons of yeast. Then we're gonna let it rise. 1½ teaspoons of salt. 1/4 cup of Earl. 1/3 cup honey. 3 cups of flour. Let it mix for about a minute or two. Add 3 more cups of flour, and you're gonna let it mix again. Let that mix about 2 minutes. You can use a rubber spatula to scrape down the flour on the side. Once the dough starts pulling away from the sides, it's ready to be pulled out and dumped on the lightly floured surface. Dump it out on a lightly floured surface and knead until it's smooth. Oil your plastic bowl up. And make sure your dough ball is greased on all sides. Place your dough in the bowl and cover it up. Let it rise for a little bit and then go ahead and punch it down. We're gonna cut the dough in half and make 2 loaves of bread out of it. After you cut it in half, you're gonna press it down and then we're gonna start to roll it out. This part is about preference. The more you roll it out, the smaller your loaf of bread will be, and vice versa. Once you get it rolled out, you can go ahead and jelly roll it into your loaf. Once you get it rolled up, you're gonna cut off the edges to make sure it fits in your 9-inch bread pan. You're supposed to do this beforehand, but go ahead and oil up the sides of your bread pan. You're gonna go ahead and cover your bread up again and let it rise until it doubles in size. Once they double in size, you can go ahead and bake them at 350 for 25 to 35 minutes. Pull them out, stick a toothpick in the middle, and if it come out clean, you're good to go. Once that toothpick come out clean, melt you some butter and rub it on top of your bread and let them rest for about 10 minutes before you pull them out the pan. You got your homemade bread, now it's time to slice it and enjoy. I appreciate y'all stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit me up with any questions you got.